Textbroker is a platform that connects freelance writers with clients who need content. To make money on Textbroker, sign up. Create a Textbroker account and complete your writer profile, including writing samples and areas of expertise. Writing level. Take a writing test to determine your skill level. Your rating will determine the quality level of assignments you can access. Browse assignments. Textbroker has a pool of available assignments. Browse through topics and assignments that match your skills and interests. Claim assignments. Once you find an assignment you like, claim it. Follow the client's instructions and guidelines closely. Write high-quality content. Produce well-researched, grammatically correct, and engaging content based on the assignment requirements. Submit and revise. Submit your content. Clients might request revisions, so be prepared to make adjustments if needed. Payment. Once the client approves your content, you will receive payment based on the assignment's word count and quality level. Build reputation. Consistently delivering high-quality work can lead to better ratings, more assignments, and higher paying opportunities. Time management. Manage your time efficiently to take on multiple assignments and increase your earnings. Specialize. Consider specializing in niches where you have expertise, as specialized writers can often command higher rates.